Climb inside the 2015 BMW 3 Series. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.